On this video, we're going to show you how to assemble the U-shaped handle reel mower. The U-shaped handle is going to come in 4 parts: the upper handle, 2 middle sections, and the lower section. It will come with 6 bolts, 6 washers, and 6 wing nuts for assembly. You will want to insert the middle sections into the upper handle, making sure that you line up the holes. Once the holes are lined up, take a bolt, insert it through the hole. On the other side, place a washer, then grab your wing nut and start to tighten. And this process will be repeated throughout the rest of the holes on the handle. Once this process is complete, you'll notice that the handle at the bottom has a curve to it. You will want these curves to face the opposite direction of the blades. Insert the slotted post into the hole. Squeeze the other side of the handle to line up the other slotted post. To secure your handle, take a pair of pliers, grab your E-ring, and snap it into the groove of the slotted post. And that's it. We are complete and you have assembled a U-handle reel mower. For any more information, please visit AmericanLawnmower.com.